I think it's time to begin our ceremony today. It's 2 p.m. We're first going to start with this short introductory video.
Hello. Theodore Roosevelt once said that nothing in life is worth having or worth doing unless it involves effort, pain, and difficulty. I would say that that applies to all of you graduating physics majors. My heartfelt congratulations. It's really been a pleasure working with you.
Dear physics class of 2020, congratulations. You've made us all proud here in the physics department, and we look forward to all of your future successes. Best wishes and good luck.
Ad Augusta per Angusta. The strenuous path leads to splendor. Congratulations all.
Congratulations to the UVA physics class of 2020. In the immortal words of the 1980s one-hit wonder band Timbuk 3, your future's so bright, I gotta wear shades.
You never fail until you stop trying, by Albert Einstein. Congratulations to you all, and I wish you a great success in the future.
congratulations on finishing up your degree. And please remain strong and try to always be the best of yourself at all times.
Message is from Belave Shivram. All the best to all the new graduates.
I was happy to interact with many of you in recent years in lectures, as an advisor or in research. Now the university sends you out into the world, and I congratulate you.
To all the May 2020 graduates in physics, my very best wishes with hopes that we will soon meet at a real in-person graduation.
Congratulations to the class of 2020. You've made it through quite a year. Well done. My favorite inspirational quote is from the movie Buckaroo Banzai when he says, "Remember, no matter where you go, there you are."
All right. Okay, well, that was an excellent intro to today's festivities. Good afternoon, colleagues, friends, family, and most importantly, graduates. Welcome to the 2020 Award and Diploma Ceremony for the Department of Physics at the University of Virginia. My name is Chris New, and I'm a professor here in the department. I will be serving as your MC for today's ceremony. Today, we will be presenting awards for undergraduate and graduate student achievements in research and academics, as well as the virtual distribution of ceremonial scrolls for all degree recipients. The ceremony here should last less than an hour, after which you'll be able to continue this day of celebration at home with your families, or perhaps in a series of additional Zoom meetings. This has been a unique semester for us all, as we all know. And we don't want to dwell on that so much today, but I did want to talk about one thing, and that over the last 2 months, one of the guiding principles that we tried to adhere to here at the university was maintaining continuity. So continuity in learning, continuity in mentorship, and wherever possible, continuity in the traditions that are unique to the student experience here at UVA. So when I was asked to be the master of ceremonies today, I knew I could help with that sense of continuity. I could provide continuity in terms of corny jokes and unfortunate butchering of students' names. So that's what we can look forward to for the next half an hour or so. But in a more serious tone, it's an honor to be a part of this special day. I had the privilege of teaching several of these undergraduate degree recipients when they were first or second years. And for the graduate degree recipients, I knew you from your beginning here at UVA, from my place on the graduate admissions committee. And so I've gotten to know many of you much more deeply over your time here at UVA. And because of this, I'm really honored to be a part of this day, this major step in your academic careers. Now, today's ceremony is clearly being held under unwanted circumstances. We all wish that we could be together to see you walk across the stage as your name is read out, or to see you receiving your diploma, or to see our PhD recipients receive their hoods. But we should remember one thing: the conditions under which we're holding this ceremony today does not in any way lessen the significance of what's happening here. This is a day of triumph, a day of celebration commemorating your incredible achievements in your time here on grounds. Myself and the rest of the faculty in physics are proud of the work you have done, and we wish you continued success going forward. This is evidenced by the number of our faculty who are in attendance today, either in the Zoom meeting or in the YouTube live stream. And among them, I want to introduce a few of them. Let me first introduce Professor Stefan Baesler. Professor Baesler serves as the Director of Undergraduate Studies. Normally, Professor Baesler would be here to help distribute the ceremonial diploma scrolls. It's unfortunate, but instead he'll perform those duties in a completely virtual sense, obviously. Second, I'd like to introduce Professor Kent Paschke, who serves as the Director of Graduate Studies. In that position, he's had a close interaction with many of our advanced degree recipients, and he, like the rest of us, is pleased to be able to witness today's festivities. Last, but certainly not least, is Professor Bob Jones, the chair of the Department of Physics. Professor Jones has a few words he would like to say. Professor Jones, you have the floor.
Well, thanks, Chris. Let me start by welcoming all of you, physics graduates, family and friends, and physics department staff and faculty. This is a wonderful moment. Everyone in this moment, independent of where they are, or even when they are watching, is here to celebrate the achievements of these graduating students. These graduates have been captivated by the depth, power, and beauty of physics and the universe it seeks to describe. They've inspired those around them. They have loved and cursed the hard work required to get here, and have reached a new level of mastery in one of the most difficult disciplines that one can choose. They are ready for the next step. A physics degree is more than a conversation killer at parties. It is more than a license to dress, groom, or act eccentrically. It is more than a store of knowledge of physical laws, mathematical equations, and techniques to solve them. It's a badge, identifying the bearer as someone who thinks critically and logically, someone who can break down hard questions about the fundamental nature of our natural universe into their essential pieces, someone who is creative, persistent, and fearless in their pursuit of answers to complex problems. Now, more than ever, our world needs these graduates. Now, before moving on to the presentation of awards and virtual degrees, I wanted to take a minute to thank all the people who have made this moment possible. Thanks to Ashley Haddix, Beth Guyton, Brian Wright, and Peter Klein for organizing this virtual ceremony. Thanks to all the physics department staff who have guided these graduates throughout their time in the department. Thanks to our faculty who have taught, advised, and challenged these graduates in their courses and research. It has been a privilege to have the opportunity to work with such amazing students, and the faculty have thoroughly enjoyed their time with them. Thanks to the parents, families, and friends for supporting these graduates, financially and otherwise, and for sharing them with us over the last several years. Most of all, thank you to our graduates. You have been the lifeblood of our department. You have inspired, frustrated, changed, and energized us. Please stay in touch and come back to visit when you are able. We wish you all the best and look forward to hearing of your many future successes. So now let's move on to the presentation of awards. All I have to do is share my screen and that should work. Okay. There we go. Smooth. All right. So each year, the Department of Physics recognizes particularly outstanding student achievement, both for academic work and independent research through several special awards. The first of these awards is the Outstanding Undergraduate Physics Major Award. This award is presented each year to the graduating physics major or majors with the best overall academic record in physics throughout their study at the university. The winner will normally have completed a sequence of physics courses at or beyond that required for the Distinguished Majors program. The prize consists of a book chosen by the winner and $200. In addition, the name of each year's recipient is engraved upon a plaque displayed in the physics department library. This year, we present the Outstanding Undergraduate Physics Major Award to two students, Andrew Zhao and Drew Wilkers. Both of these students graduate with a BS in physics. After graduation, Andrew plans to work at Lawrence Livermore National Lab as an electrical engineer, but plans to follow up with a master's degree in computational and plasma physics sometime soon. Drew will be taking a gap year before pursuing his PhD in physics. Congratulations, Andrew and Drew. Our next award is the Stephen Thornton Award for Physics, Undergraduate Research. The UVA Department of Physics has established an endowment for an annual award that recognizes the most outstanding research project completed by an undergraduate physics major. Each award winner receives $800 and has their name placed on a plaque prominently and permanently displayed in the physics library. This year, the Stephen Thornton Award for Physics, Undergraduate Research, is presented to Ephraim Sarabaman, a graduating physics BS student. Ephraim received this award for his published research entitled Solitons in the Einstein Universe, which was performed under the guidance of Professor Eugene Kolomaisky. To quote Professor Kolomaisky, Ephraim demonstrated willingness, ability, and tenacity to carry out a tedious calculation, critically assess it, and then interpret its physical consequences. These qualities are prerequisites to becoming a successful, independent researcher. Ephraim will pursue a doctoral degree in theoretical physics here at UVA. Congratulations, Ephraim. Our third and final award is the Outstanding Graduate Research Award in Physics. This aptly named award recognizes outstanding research by a graduate student and includes a check of $1,000. This year's recipient of the Outstanding Graduate Student Research Award is Rajveer Nira. Raj will soon complete his dissertation entitled Non-Gaussian States and Measurement in Quantum Information Science under the supervision of Professor Olivier Pfister. Raj has conducted cutting-edge research, both experimental and theoretical, including directions and collaborations he initiated himself. His talent and hard work have been the basis for other awards as well, including the Alan Talbot Gwathmey Memorial Award, which is presented in recognition of a distinguished scholarly publication. The Gwathmey Award is an award reserved for the most accomplished graduate students in the physical sciences at the University of Virginia. Raj has shown an insatiable intellectual curiosity, fearlessly taking on one research project after another, moving with a strong sense of coherence between his intellectual endeavors. For example, he used the knowledge he gained from graduate computer science courses toward his research by employing semi-definite programming techniques and the overlap quantum state tomography technique he invented. This very much summarizes Raj's approach to research, naturally seeking out the right tools that will allow him to make immediate progress with a practical drive and a killer instinct. Raj will be continuing his research as a postdoctoral fellow at Caltech. Congratulations, Raj. And now I'd like to turn the virtual stage back over to Chris for the presentation of those virtual scrolls. So Chris.
Okay, thanks, Bob. That was excellent. So I guess we should get on with things here. Let's indeed move on. I now have to share, and I will do that. Just a second. We'll go here. Yes. I trust you can see the PowerPoint. Okay, very good. So now we're going to go through the various bachelor's, master's, and doctoral degrees that are listed in your program, or you saw on the agenda for today's ceremony. We will start with the Bachelor of Science degree recipients in astronomy physics. First up, John Apostolou. Thomas Kellison. Next degree recipient of the Bachelor of Science in Astronomy Physics, Megan Kenny. Dirk Pitts. Eric Rohr. Jasmine Washington. And Yara Youssef. These are our degree recipients of the Bachelor of Science in Astronomy Physics. Next. Let's just take a time out here. It's odd for me to not say things like, please don't clap until the end, but I think it's also kind of refreshing. You just feel free to clap for every name, do what you like. I think it's an excellent celebration any way you want to do it. Thank you. Next, the degree recipients of the Bachelor of Arts degree in physics. First off, with a Bachelor of Science degree in Mechanical Engineering and a Bachelor of Arts degree in Physics, Joseph Bruce. With the Bachelor of Arts in Physics, John Michael Epperson. With a Bachelor of Science in Environmental Chemistry and a Bachelor of Arts degree in Physics and a minor in French, Ryan Gates. With a Bachelor of Arts degree in Economics and a Bachelor of Arts degree in Physics, Rebecca Harrington. With a Bachelor of Arts degree in Physics, as well as a Bachelor of Arts degree in Economics, Austin Jennings. With a Bachelor of Arts in Physics, along with a Bachelor of Arts in Biology, Catherine Lake. With a Bachelor of Arts in Physics, a Bachelor of Arts in English, and a minor in East Asian Studies, Sam Lafar. Next up, with a Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering and a Bachelor of Arts in Physics, Coke Matthews IV. With a Bachelor of Arts in Physics and a Bachelor of Arts in Economics, Daniel Mills. With a Bachelor of Arts in Computer Science and a Bachelor of Arts in Physics, Sam Najari. With a Bachelor of Science in Biomedical Engineering and a Bachelor of Arts in Physics with a minor in French, Robert Pojwak. With a BS in Aerospace Engineering and a Bachelor of Arts in Physics, Adelaide Pollard. with a Bachelor of Arts in Physics and a Bachelor of Arts in Computer Science and a minor in Italian, Alex Robiolio. Next up, with a Bachelor of Science in Materials Chemistry, Bachelor of Arts in Physics and a minor in Mathematics, Colton Sheehan. Next, with a Bachelor of Science in Engineering Science, a Bachelor of Arts in Physics and an Applied Mathematics minor, Ryan Taylor. With a Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, a BA in Physics and a Mathematics minor, Andrew Tiggs. With a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering and a Bachelor of Arts in Physics, Adam Turflinger. With a Bachelor of Arts in Physics, William Van Orden. With a Bachelor of Arts in Physics, Allie Verster. Okay. Next are Bachelor of Science degree recipients in physics. Okay. First up, with a Bachelor of Science in Physics and a Bachelor of Arts in Computer Science, Ben Barton. With a BS in Physics and a Bachelor of Arts in Computer Science, Ningshun Chen. With a Bachelor of Science in Physics and a minor in Computer Science, Colin Crovella. With a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering and a Bachelor of Science in Physics, Zhixuan Ding. With a Bachelor of Science in Physics and a Bachelor of Arts in Music, Andrew Zhao. With a Bachelor of Science in Physics, Ethan Jones. With a Bachelor of Science in Physics and a Bachelor of Arts in Computer Science, Jae Kim. With a Bachelor of Science in Physics, Carl Nubby. With a Bachelor of Science in Physics, Austin Raymer. With a Bachelor of Science in Physics and a Bachelor of Arts in Mathematics with an astronomy minor, Ephraim Sarabamon. With a Bachelor of Science in Physics and a Bachelor of Arts in Statistics, Yashwant Somu. With a Bachelor of Science in Physics, Andrew Tuma. With a Bachelor of Science in Physics, Drew Wilkers. And with a Bachelor of Science in Physics and a Bachelor of Arts degree in Computer Science, Alex Zia. Next, we will have our first set of our advanced degrees, the Master of Arts in Physics, okay? Our first degree recipient of the MA in Physics, John Boyd. Our next degree recipient of the MA in Physics, Sumadu Kadamagapola. Enhao Song. And our last MA in Physics degree recipient, Yu Qian. Members of the Physics department, along with Yu's family and friends, were devastated by Yu Qian's passing in fall 2019. We're privileged to have this opportunity to recognize his great accomplishments and honor his memory. Okay, now we will move on to the Master of Science degree recipients in physics. Our first Master of Science degree recipient in physics is Arthur Conover. His advisor is Donald Day, and his dissertation title was Kinematic Dependence of the Dilution Factor in the SpinQuest Experiment at E1039 at Fermilab. Next, Jacob Higgins. He received his MS working with his advisor, Olivier Pfister, and his thesis title was Generating Connectivity Graphs in the Quantum Optical Frequency Comb using a Frequency Beam Splitter. Next, Michael Vitz, whose Master of Science advisor was Dinko Pocanic. And his thesis was entitled Numerical Considerations in the Analysis and Simulation of Radiative Pion Decay. Excellent. So these are our Masters of Science degrees recipients in physics. Next and last, we will finally have our doctoral degree recipients. The Doctor of Philosophy degree is the highest university degree that is conferred after a course of study. So let us move on to our first physics doctoral degree recipient. That is Zachary Carson, whose PhD advisor was Kent Yagi, dissertation title, Probing Fundamental Physics with Gravitational Waves. And Professor Yagi has a brief message he wanted to convey to Zach on this slide.
Hi, Zach. Congratulations. Time flies, and I still remember meeting you for the first time in my office. You were smiling, and I could clearly see your excitement on doing research in gravity. I'm really glad that I decided to work with you, and I never imagined that we end up with writing 13 papers within 2 years. It's just amazing, and you are a fantastic student. Thank you so much, and let me congratulate and celebrate you with this bottle of wine with big G on the label. Congratulations, cheers, and go Zach.
Excellent, very good. Next, Danning D. His PhD advisor is Nalanga Leonage, and the dissertation title was High Momentum Transfer Nucleon Elastic Electromagnetic Form Factor Measurements using Super Big Bite Spectrometer at Jefferson Lab.
Congratulations, Danning, on earning your physics PhD after completing an excellent experimental nuclear physics project. So Dr. Danning D completed his nuclear physics PhD recently on working in the Super Big Bite experimental program at Jefferson Lab. We are going to measure the ground state properties of the neutron and the proton in this experimental program, and the contributions Danning made for this program are extremely critical for realizing these experiments. So good luck, Danning. My best wishes that you'll get many opportunities to put your excellent talents to work in the future.
Excellent. Next, Shen Gao. PhD advisor was Joe Poon. The dissertation is entitled Synthesis and Thermoelectric Studies of a narrow gap semiconducting alloy for cooling, bismuth, antimony. Some words from Professor Poon.
Hi, Shan. Haven't seen you in a long time. Congratulations to your PhD degree. And I'm glad to hear that you're doing so well. And I will look you up when I have a chance to come to the West Coast. And for now, congratulations and all my best wishes. And stay safe. Bye-bye now.
Great. Next, Charlie Glazer. PhD advisor was Dinko Pacanic. His dissertation was entitled Preliminary Analysis of the Penn Experiment, a precision measurement of the pion electron decay branching ratio. Some words from Professor Pacanic.
Hi, Charlie. For the time being, this brief message will have to take the place of a proper graduation and hooding ceremony, which I hope will come soon. I want you to know that it has been an honor for me to have served as your thesis advisor. You have done a tremendous job on the research and analysis for your thesis. I know that this is just the first of many successes that are yet to come your way, and I wish you all the best in your future.
Very good. Next, Marco Ma. His PhD advisor is Joe Poon, and his dissertation was entitled Experimental and Theoretical Studies of Novel Magnetic Behaviors in Amorphous Ferrimagnets. Again, Professor Poon.
Hi, Marco. We just had Skype this morning, and I can still say congratulations to your PhD degree. And I thank you and Shen for your dedication, all your good work. And I also know that you're eager to get back to the lab, but please stay calm and keep safe. Best wishes and congratulations again. Bye.
It's the sentiments of many of us that want to get back to our labs. Hopefully we'll help you very soon. Next, Syed Raza. PhD advisor is Jeffrey Teo. The dissertation entitled Interplay of Symmetry and Interactions in Topological Phases of Matter. Next, Wen Tan. Advisor is Xiaoxiao Zhang. And dissertation is entitled Experimental Study of Helium-3 and Neutron Spin Structures at Low Q Squared and the Upgrade of the JLab Polarized Helium-3 Target. Professor Zhang has some words.
Hi Yuan, congratulations on finishing up your PhD degree. It was a very difficult analysis. On the other hand, like I mentioned to you earlier, and at least for myself, getting my PhD was hard, but it was not the most difficult time of my life. So keep in mind that in the future, if you encounter new challenges, as long as you remain strong and try your best, then there's nothing to regret. Thank you.
Very good. Next, Aaron Wagner. Aaron's PhD advisor was Despina Luca, and his dissertation was titled Local Atomic Effects in the Phase Transition of Titanium, Selenium, Tellurium, and Sodium Manganese Bismuth Semiconductors. Professor Luca.
Hello, Aaron. Congratulations. You did it. This is the big moment that you've been waiting for. Since you will not be on campus for graduation this year, I took a little video this morning while running. Everything looks beautiful as usual. Charlottesville is in full bloom. I wish you the very best and please keep in touch.
Congratulations, Aaron!
That's great. And our last PhD recipient today, Depei Zhang, whose advisor is Sung-Hun Lee. And his dissertation title was Crystal Structures, Rotational Vibrational Dynamics, and Optoelectronic Properties of Two-Dimensional Hybrid Organic-Inorganic Perovskites. Professor Lee.
Congratulations, Depei, for finishing up your PhD thesis successfully. Now you move to Oak Ridge National Lab in Tennessee. I'm very proud of you, and I hope you'll have a successful career as a scientist in the future. But I don't feel like you have moved because we are talking on the phone every day to finish up our paper. I'm not going to give you any more scientific advice anymore, but I'll give you one more advice for your life. Do yoga. It'll be good for your life.
That is excellent advice from Professor Lee. I think that's advice that we could all take. So that was our last degree recipient. That was our last one. It's a good time to congratulate our degree recipients, and that little bit of applause there. I hope that you're enthusiastically doing applause wherever you are watching this live stream or wherever you're connected to this Zoom meeting. But anyways, that concludes our ceremony, and so I just will leave you with some parting words to our graduates. I speak on behalf of the entire faculty when I say it's been an honor and a privilege seeing you flourish in your time here. And we wish you nothing but success and good luck in all that you find going forward. And to everyone that's connected here, colleagues, family, friends, graduates too, please stay healthy and safe. And just as Professor Jones said earlier, we look forward to our next chance to see you here on grounds. Thank you, everyone.
Bye for now, everyone.
Bye-bye.